Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Credit Karma tax account easy access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Credit Karma. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Credit Karma account in the first field. In the next field, type your password. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load as it processes your login request. Once logged in, navigate to the tax section in your account dashboard. Here, you can access your Credit Karma tax information easily. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or try refreshing the page. For added security, make sure you log out after finishing your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.